Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where 2 to the power 3x plus 2 to the power x is equal to 10, or here we can write 2 to the power x whole to the power 3 plus 2 to the power x is equal to 10. According to this formula, a to the power n m is equal to a to the power m whole to the power n, or let the substituted value of 2 to the power x is equal to y. So our equation is y cube plus y is equal to 10, or taking this 10 to left side we will get y cube plus y minus 10 is equal to 0, or y cube plus y. Now attention here, the nearest cubic number of 10 is 8, so we can write here negative 8 negative 2 is equal to 0, or rearranging left side we can write here y cube minus 8 plus y minus 2 is equal to 0, or y cube minus 2 cube, because 2 cube are same as 8, plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Or now here we can apply a algebraic formulas. The formula is a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. So apply this formula here, we can write y minus 2 times y square plus y times 2 plus 2 square, and taking common plus 1 to last two term we will get positive 1, y minus 2 is equal to 0. Or now taking common y minus 2 we will get y minus 2 times y square plus 2 times y is equal to 2y plus 2 square, that means 4, plus 1 is equal to 0. Or y minus 2 times y square plus 2y plus 4 plus 1 is equal to 5 is equal to 0. So y minus 2 is equal to 0, or y square plus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. Or now taking this negative 2 to right side we will get y is equal to 2, and here we can apply discriminated formula. So del is equal to b square minus 4ac. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to 5. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to 5. So del is equal to b square, that means 2 square, minus 4 times a, that means 1, times c, that means 5, is equal to 2 square is equal to 4, minus 4 times 1 times 5 is equal to 20. So negative 16. So negative 16 is less than 0. So here are no real solution. So y is equal to 2. But remember the substituted value of 2 to the power x is equal to y. So we can write here 2 to the power x is equal to 2, or 2 to the power x is equal to 2 to the power 1, because 2 to the power 1 are same as 2, or they are same base but different power. So we can write here x is equal to 1. So finally the value of x is equal to 1. Thank you for the watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.